Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to withdraw money from KuCoin to your bank account. So before we get started guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so withdrawing funds from KuCoin to your bank account is pretty simple. So you just have to initiate a withdrawal. So once your bank account is successfully verified with your KuCoin account, you can initiate a withdrawal from your KuCoin account to your bank account. So navigate to the withdrawal section on the KuCoin platform and then just select your desired cryptocurrency. If you want to withdraw fiat currency, you need to sell your crypto holdings first and then just enter the withdrawal amount and confirm your bank account details. Keep in mind that KuCoin might charge a small withdrawal fees for each transaction, which varies depending on the cryptocurrency being withdrawn, and there are some limits as well. So most cryptocurrency exchanges, including KuCoin, have daily, weekly, and monthly withdrawal limits in place to prevent fraud and protect user accounts. So these limits may vary depending on your account verification level and trading activity. So yeah guys, this is how you withdraw money from KuCoin to your bank account. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.